What's up, guys? It's George, and today I was working with one of my business coaching clients, and they asked me some personal advice. They know that I'm a practitioner of the monk mode lifestyle, the no fap lifestyle, and so they told me how they're practicing no fap so that they can help improve and increase their sexual energy and the other benefits. And so they said, what is it that, what would I recommend and the advice that I would give for when they feel those, real strong urges to come up to just start fapping, because they can get intense, especially when it's been a while that you've gone without masturbating. And so there are, there's a lot of different types of, strategies and what you can do to, to help, beat the cravings when they come up. But the best that I have out of everything that I've tried, I'm always experimenting, trying different things, but the best out of everything that I've tried has been utilizing the Wim Hof method breathing exercises. I've done, plenty of other videos about this before, but I've been practicing the Wim Hof method breathing exercises for years now. I bought the course, I think, about 2.5 years ago. And I made it a part of my life, and it's helped me in so many areas of my life. I've done extensive videos on all the benefits, and I go through the full routine at least one time every day, if not 2 to 3 times every day. And how that's helped me to refrain from masturbation and to be able to control the urges is that when you do the breathing exercise, it resets your neurological system. It basically puts you back in control of your alchemy. Because the reason why everything in life is we're chasing a feeling. Whether it's because you want to take a swig of alcohol or you want to jerk off, but we're always chasing a feeling. We're after, it's not necessarily that you want to jerk off. It's the feeling, it's the chemicals that'll be released in your body, the feel-good chemicals. That's why, because it feels amazing. That's from the feel-good chemicals. And so as you can become the control of your own alchemy in your body, you start to be able to control feel-good feelings throughout your body, and you can get more control over of having control of not engaging in destructive behaviors. Like whether it's drinking or smoking or whatever, or eating junk food. But what I've found is that if all of a sudden I start to feel those those real strong urges to just jack off out of nowhere, then I will start doing the breathing exercises. And even if I could only just do like 10 real quick, the deep breathing exercises, I'll find that all of a sudden I get that rush. The blood begins to alkalize. I feel so much better. I feel more back in control of myself, and that helps. And that suddenly, just like that, even as quick as 30 to 60 seconds, I'm back in control again. Because a man that is just a slave to his sexual, his sexual desires, is going to be a slave. He's going to be someone that can't control themselves, no matter what. They're always making foolish decisions to try to impress the opposite sex. They're making foolish decisions to try to, get attention and validation from women, rather than when they're not acting in alignment with their own desires and how they really truly want to be. And so I could go really deep in this, but I highly recommend, if you're serious about, learning how to practice the no-fap lifestyle, the monk mode lifestyle, and you want to, and you don't want it to be like a living hell. You want to have control over, not, thinking about masturbation all the time. Then I highly recommend practicing the Wim Hof method breathing exercises. I'll put a link below in the description, for those who are interested in the course. It's very affordable, but it'll absolutely change your life. So can't say enough about it. I'm sure I'll do plenty more videos talking about this. Maybe I'll do a full, video really breaking down my whole breathing routine following the course. But until next time, if you have any comments to say about if you guys have done the Wim Hof breathing method, or if you have any other tips for helping someone that wants to beat the urges to refrain from masturbating, from whacking up, then leave a comment below, or anything else you just want to comment about. Love the comments, love engaging with you guys, and until next time, have a great day, a great week, a great month, a great year. Let's make it a great life. See ya.